Welcome to the dark side of the AI revolution. If Scenario A was a dream, Scenario B is the wake-up call. It's a world where the tide rose, but only the elite were given boats. In this timeline, the AI shockwaves have fractured society. We are no longer moving together. We are moving at two very different speeds. The report calls it the two-tier world. Tier 1 is the elite, those who own the algorithms. Tier 2 is everyone else, the disposable workforce fighting for micro-tasks. The middle class has evaporated. In Scenario B, you are either the architect of the system or a ghost within it. There is no in-between. State protection is gone. Corporate loyalty is dead. You are now 100% responsible for your own survival in a market that changes every hour. The safety net has been replaced by a tightrope. To stay relevant, you have to run faster than the machine, every single day, without rest. Over the next 10 episodes, we will break down how to survive this inequality. We'll look at the shockwaves, the opportunity deserts, and the mental price of this race. The clock is ticking, and in Scenario B, time is a luxury you can't afford. Let's find out where you stand in the new hierarchy.
Stay sharp. Stay alert. I'll see you in the first wave of the storm. Welcome to the two-tier world. Subscribe to survive Scenario B.